Hey friends, if you wish to fix application error, a client-side exception has occurred on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now this occurs on a browser, let's say it's on Edge or any other Chromium browser. So here's what you have to do. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select settings from the menu. Okay, simply go and click on reset settings, restore settings to the default value and reset settings. Okay, this is what I do. Then restart the browser and it will also clear the cache and everything. Let us be sure about it. Okay, we will click on this bin symbol here. We will select the time range as all time and then we will click on clear now to clear the cache. After this, we will click on these three dots once again and select extensions. Select manage extensions. Okay, and then check for any problematic extensions here and remove them. These are the main solutions to fix this problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.